want to take a moment and say something to my younger generation. Family, self-preservation is key. You cannot help nobody else if you can't help yourself. And I want to say that because we get so caught up with people we try to look out for. And I'm talking to my younger generation and my older generation because, you know, we tend to have to go through these things several times before we get the lesson and the message behind this. Self-preservation is key, fam. Self-preservation. You cannot help anyone if you can't help yourself. You can't help no one. So whatever you're trying to do, the person that wants you to go and kick it with them and go have a good time or go take a trip or whatever the situation is, if you haven't took care of your personal responsibilities, you can't do it, family. You can't do it. Like, why would you go lay up with a guy or a woman and you know you got bills due? You know you laying up giving them pleasure, and once you go back, you got to worry about a gas bill, light bill, water bill. Why are you going to lay up with them? Self-preservation is key, fam. You know, and then some women love to say things like, well, it's not about the money. You know, it is about the fucking money. Your bill's about to get ready to get shut off. It is about the money. You know, you don't give your body out and you got bills due. Vice versa, dude. You can't be out here jackballing your money and you know you got bills due. You can't spend all your money on the weed and on the drink and on the cigarettes and you know you got a bill due, my guy. You got to make a sacrifice somewhere. You got to make a sacrifice. Self-preservation, fam. We got to grow up. Stuff is real right now. You know, and things gonna get real. You know, they said we facing a new recession that's gonna be worse than they say the first one that ever started back in the Great Depression. It's serious out here, fam. Self-preservation is key. Take care of yourself. If you put you first and take care of all your responsibilities, then you can help others. Then you can do a little something. You know, ain't nothing, I'm not knocking that. But don't go have some fun. Go give somebody else some pleasure when you turn back to your spot, you sitting in the dark, or you worried about how you gonna eat, or whatever the situation is. Value you. It's okay to be alone, fam. You know, some people feel like they just got to have somebody around them. It's okay to be alone if being alone is improving you, if being alone is helping you grow. You know what I mean? So don't get so caught up in trying to please people, trying to, you know, impress the Joneses. Worry about you, fam. Worry about you. It's real out here right now. You know, don't give yourself away to someone that shows you that they don't care. If they so concerned about wanting to lay up with you and kick it with you, then tell them about that bill you got. Hey, I would come kick it with you, but I got this light bill due. And if you really want to kick it with you, you're going to be like, how much is it? Let me send you that so I can get you over here. That's what he'll do. But you got to put your priorities first. Your priorities first. Not your desires. You know, we learn this over time, fam. And I'm sharing this with you because we got to break that chain. Because breaking that chain is going to help us maintain in the future. So if you're going through that, sit back, take some time to yourself, realize self-preservation is key. Cut back some of the habits and kicking it, and focus on what you got to do to yourself, what you need to do to get yourself together. Because at the end of the day, fam, you're going to realize that if you ain't got you together, the person that you really want, they don't want you. You want this certain person, but you ain't working on you. You work on you. And I guarantee you, y'all gonna meet up in the middle. Hold on.